Let's assemble the old bastard. When you open the box, you're going to have an enlarged view of how the jig appears assembled. That might be helpful for you. So the first thing you want to do is take your bushing and slide that in, align that up with the hole. Take the blade, align it up on the hole. Take your truss head screw. Fasten that in, snug it up, don't over tighten it. When you put the nuts in the jig, the easiest way is to pin the nut with the screw to get it started. And you want to do that on both sides. Once you have that started, just take and pull it back. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to drop the file and it's going to line itself up. From there, you just tighten the screws. Again, just snug them up, then you're ready to go.